Suzuki Cultus 2014 full genuine low mileage outclass condition best budget car urgent sell, don't miss limited time offer. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you a home used Suzuki Cultus 2014 model in very clean and well maintained condition. This car is ideal for daily city driving and small family use. If you are looking for an economical car with low maintenance cost and good fuel average, this Cultus is a great option for you. Let's start with the exterior condition. The car is full genuine bumper to bumper. The paint condition is good and the body looks neat and presentable. There are no major dents or scratches, and the panels are properly aligned. The headlights, taillights, and side mirrors are all in good working condition. The car looks smart on the road and is easy to handle in busy traffic and narrow streets. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The engine condition is excellent and feels like a 0-meter car. There is no unusual noise from the engine, and the pickup is smooth and responsive. The engine runs quietly, and there is no vibration during driving. The suspension is also in zero condition, which means the ride is smooth and comfortable even on uneven roads. The car feels stable and easy to control, making it suitable for new drivers as well. The fuel average of this Suzuki Cultus is very good, which makes it perfect for daily office use and city driving. It helps you save money on petrol, especially in daily commute. The engine temperature remains normal even in traffic, and the cooling system works properly. You can drive this car without any worry about overheating or mechanical problems. Maintenance cost is low, and spare parts are easily available in the market, which is a big plus point for long-term ownership. Talking about the drive comfort, the steering is light and easy to control, which is very helpful in city traffic and parking. The brakes are in good condition and provide confident stopping power. The suspension absorbs bumps well, so you feel comfortable on rough roads. Overall, the driving experience is smooth and stress-free, making this car a good choice for daily use. Now let's move to the interior condition. The inside of the car is clean and well maintained. The seats are comfortable and in good condition. The dashboard is neat, and all meters and switches are working properly. The AC is chilled and works perfectly, which is very important in hot weather. The cabin feels simple and practical, making it easy to use for daily driving. There is enough space for small families and daily needs. This car has been home used and carefully driven. The mileage is low for its model year, which shows that the car was not overused. The engine and suspension are in zero condition, and the overall condition of the car is like a 0-meter vehicle. The car does not require any major work and is ready to drive. This Suzuki Cultus 2014 is available for urgent sale. If you are looking for a full genuine, low mileage, economical hatchback with chilled AC and zero condition engine and suspension, this car is worth considering. Serious buyers only, please. No time waste. Overall, this Suzuki Cultus is a reliable, economical, and easy to drive car. It is perfect for daily city use, home use, and small families. The condition is very good, the AC is chilled, the engine and suspension feel like new, and the car is bumper to bumper genuine. If you want a budget-friendly car with low running cost and easy maintenance, this Cultus 2014 is a smart choice. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and urgent sale deals, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.